teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, wiggle your nose. Teddy bear, sit right down. Teddy bear, don't you frown. Teddy is sleepy, it's time for bed. He lays down and rests his head. He closes his eyes and starts to yawn. He'll sleep and dream until the dawn. Snuggle him close, soft and tight. Say goodnight, Teddy, sleep all night. He went on a picnic today. He laughed and smiled all the way. He ate some fruit and drank some juice and played around nice and loose. The sun was warm, the grass was green. Teddy said, "This is the best I've seen." Teddy likes to dance and spin. He shakes his arms and shows a grin. He jumps up high, then taps the floor. He spins around and dances more. Dance with Teddy, 1, 2, 3. Move your feet and dance with me. Teddy's colors. Teddy wears a red bow tie, blue shoes, and a yellow eye. His coat is brown, his hat is green. He's the cutest bear you've ever seen. What color is your teddy bear? Is it white or black or pink or rare? Hide and seek Teddy. Where's Teddy? He's not in bed. Maybe he's hiding under the shed. Look behind the chair. Do you see? There he is. He's giggling with glee. Now you hide and I will peek. Let's play again. Hide and seek. Oh, 7 Teddy in the rain. Teddy walks out in the rain with his boots and coat again, splashing puddles with his feet. Rainy days can still be sweet. Raindrops fall, drip, drop, drip. Teddy does a rainy skip. Good morning, Teddy. Good morning, Teddy. Time to rise. Open your sleepy little eyes. Brush your teeth and eat your food. Now you're in a happy mood. Let's get ready, time to play. Teddy's here to start the day. Teddy rides the choo-choo train. Through the sun and through the rain. Choo-choo goes the engine loud. Teddy waves to every crowd. Over hills and under trees. Teddy rides with joy and glee. 10 Goodbye, Teddy. Teddy had fun with you today, but now it's time to put him away. Wave goodbye and give a hug. Tuck him in so warm and snug. We'll see you soon, don't feel sad. Teddy's happy and so glad. Over hills and under trees, Teddy rides with joy and glee. At 10 Goodbye, Teddy. Cotley had fun with you today, but now it's time to put him away. Wave goodbye and give